Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to try this beautiful wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before, but my client wanted it in these two colors, that is 30 and 27. So just comment down below guys if you love this style and if you love this color as well. And also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me so that I can make it for you and send it to you. Okay, so actually my client's head is bigger, that's why as you can see the lines goes to my ears because she wanted it to be bigger. My head is medium and hers is large, that's why as you can see the wig is bigger. So guys, again, just comment down below if you love this color and if you love this style. So that was it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this wig. If you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.